How to fix unable to load photos or videos on your iPhone. If you're seeing an error message that says unable to load video or unable to load photo, with a note about an issue loading a higher quality version, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check your iCloud settings. 1. Open Settings and tap on your Apple ID your name at the top. 2. Scroll down and tap iCloud, then select Photos. 3. If Sync This iPhone is enabled, it means all your photos and videos are stored in iCloud. 4. Look for the Optimize iPhone Storage option. If this is turned on, your iPhone only keeps lower resolution versions of photos and videos while the full quality versions remain in iCloud. This is why you're seeing the error. It occurs when your iPhone struggles to download the full resolution file. Step 2. Check your storage space. 1. Go back to Settings and tap General then iPhone Storage. 2. Your iPhone needs enough free space to download and display the high-quality version of your media. 3. If you're low on space, consider deleting unused apps, offloading apps, or clearing unnecessary files to free up storage. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Since downloading high-quality versions from iCloud requires a stable connection, let's check your internet speed. 1. Open a web browser and search for speed test. 2. Run the test. Ideally, you should have at least 10 megabits per second download speed for smooth loading. 3. If your internet is slow, try these fixes. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and toggle Wi-Fi off and on. If Wi-Fi is slow, switch to cellular data or connect to a faster Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Check cellular data settings for Photos. 1. Go back to Settings and scroll down to Photos. 2. Tap cellular data and make sure it's turned on. If this is off, your iPhone won't download media from iCloud when you're on mobile data. If you have an unlimited data plan, you can also enable unlimited updates for smoother downloads. Step 5. Change transfer settings. 1. In the Photos settings, scroll down to transfer to Mac or PC. 2. Select Keep Originals to ensure your iPhone downloads and stores full-quality versions of your media instead of converting them to smaller formats. Step 6. Restart the Photos app. 1. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen or double-tap the Home button on older iPhones to open the app switcher. 2. Close the Photos app and any other background apps. 3. Reopen Photos and try loading the image or video again. After following these steps, your photos and videos should load properly. If the issue persists, you may want to restart your iPhone or contact Apple support for further assistance. If this guide helped, don't forget to subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.